Hello and good morning, guys. I remain Oluwatosin and I'm bringing you insights for the market this morning, the euro dollar, and also gold. And very quickly to the economic calendar, you can see that if we filter the euro and the USD news based on no impact, medium, and high impact news, we have only one event for the day, which is consumer confidence. And we're expecting a less than a point reduction in that. So moving on to the charts, and most of the economic releases won't matter. The main thing people are focusing on is the development in the Middle East and the tension, and that is what caused this gap yesterday. The hopes that the treaty will hold between US and Iran. We have a gap up there yesterday. It consolidated mostly through. This morning we have a gap down, and we are attempting trading inside the gap range. For the hourly, we have a nice gap up here as well, gap down. We are currently trading below VWAP at the second standard deviation. And normally, around this place, really, and we did reach previous days low too. That's something to consider. And this place is where I like to look for mean reversion during session open, and that may be in play. So the first idea for a trade is a mean reversion. If you can just hold the second standard deviation here, mean reversion towards at first a Valeria low, then the VWAP. That will be the idea of trade. So a trade, if we do this back to here, 32 points, but when we reach here, just cover the trades, leave the rest, leave it, and then back here. Subsequently, you can target higher, but that will be a two targets I will have in mind initially. So to the downside, because there's a big gap here, there's a little holding price from falling. That would be a breakout trade to the downside, and this one has a higher potential. But you have to consider the fact that you have been very for a while, but that doesn't really matter. This is currency, and we're continue trading that. So a break and retest at the previous day's low. The 1 hour candlestick closes through, and in the next 1 hour, you have a quick retest, and then a continuation will be very good to start the session with. So that's two ideas this morning. A mean reversion at session open, a break and retest at session open too. So it can still break and then we have a retest for USD. So let's be on the lookout. And please don't hold on to a position too much. Use stop losses during this time. There may be development in the Middle East that we don't know about, and the market will just spike and take your position out. So always use stop loss during this time. Don't oversize. Today is going your in profit. Take something off. Move stops to even at least, so you won't lose money on the trade. To gold, good as well. We had a gap up yesterday, and we ran consolidated mostly through the session. Today we gap down just slightly, took out previous day's high, and then we ran downward. And value has been established downward right now on gold as well. We are trading below VWAP too. So this is a clear bearish trend for the day. The only time when I'm going to be considering longing maybe will be the opening range drive, the session open drive. So if we do close this 1 hour above the prior day's open, I may consider longing and longing back to VWAP in the session opening range only. So that will be between 8 o'clock GMT plus 1 and 10 o'clock GMT plus 1 max. That is when I'm looking to get a trade. And even by 9 o'clock, the idea will be fading in my mind and I have my position if we even do get it that late. And to the downside, gold, that's many high tendency as well. But this one may be a difficult one to short in London. But to the downside, if we do crack the Valeria low here at 45.25, a trade downwards towards previous low may be in play towards the secondary division as well as the Valeria low for Friday at 45.15 ish would be in play. So that is the long and short tendency. I don't want to cover NASDAQ right now, we'll cover that during the session as there are some development I want to take place before I said that. So good luck, good trades guys this morning. I'll see you guys in the afternoon. Don't blow your accounts. Uh, bye for now.